Hello everyone, welcome back to class. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to subtract by counting back. If you've seen the previous lessons, we need to sit in a circle. Oh, that's bad. I'm not there with you, but no worries. Just sit in a circle. Have you done that? One person will be choosing to say the starting number. Are you ready? The person who says the final number wins a point. Are you ready? Okay, those of us who are studying alone, let's just keep counting. Can you do that? We are going to count around the circle from the starting number to the finish number. When you see the starting number, we start. Start from 14 and finish at 7. Are you ready? Let's go. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Again, start from 19 and finish at 12. Are you ready? Let's go. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Do you say the number 7? No. Why not? Because it stopped at 12. Again, start from 15 and finish at 8. Are you ready? Let's do this. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. What could you use to help you count back to 8? You could use the number line. Again, start from 20 and finish at 8. Are you ready? Let's go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Clap for yourselves. Did you say the number 8? Now, you should choose some numbers to start and stop at. Meet forgetful Freddy. He is always leaving things behind or losing things. I want you to keep an eye on him. Forgetful Freddy has 10 kobo in his pockets. He has forgotten about the hole in his pockets and monies are falling out. Count back to see how many kobo are left in his pockets. Are you ready? I want us to do this together. We are going to count back. Let's go. 9, 8, 7. How many kobo did Freddy lose? 3. How many kobo does he have left? 7. We could say 10 minus 3 equal to 7. We could count back on your fingers. Are you ready? 9, 8, 7. We could count back on a number line. Starting from 10, we'll take 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 7. Today, we are learning a method Practice the method even if you've known the answer. Can you use cubes to help? Can you keep track on your fingers? Can you use a number line? 4 minus 3 equal to? These are 4 cubes. Take away 3. We are left with 1. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. 9 minus 2 equal to what? Show up your 9 fingers. 9 fingers. Fold 2. We are left with 7 fingers. 9 minus 2 equal to 7. 7 minus 4 equal to what? 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Try this last question with the 3 methods. Forgetful Freddy hasn't noticed his clothes blowing away in the wind. He hung 8 things on the line and 3 blew away. How many things does he have left on the line? Can you count back to find out? Are you ready? 7, 6, 5. You have 5 left on the line. Using the number line, 8 minus 3 equal to 5. From 8, we are going to count 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. He stopped at 5. He said, I hung 6 things on the line and 4 things blew away. How many things does he have left on the line? Can you count back to find out? 5, 4, 3, 2. We have 2 left on the line. Using the number line, 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Starting from 6, we are going to count 4 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. He stopped at 2. Forgetful Freddy is confused. He hung out 7 items and now he has only 4. He wants to know how many have blown away. Can you help him? 7 minus what equal to 4? Can you count back to find out? 6, 5, 4. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Using the number line, from 7, count and stop at 4. 6, 5, 4. That's 3 jumps. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. He had 9 naira and now has only 3 naira. He wants to know how much he has lost. Can you help him? 9 minus what equal to 3? Can you count back to find out? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, You have 6 fingers up. You can also use number line. Starting from 9, count how many steps are there from 9 to 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 steps. So therefore, 9 minus 6 equal to 3. And that will be all for this lesson on how to subtract by counting back. Now you can count back. You can keep track of how many you have counted back. Can you do that? You can use a number line. See you in the next class. Goodbye.